Today, I'm making one of the simplest and most comforting dishes from Asian. Home cooking, bitter melon stir-fried with eggs. If you've never tried bitter melon before, you might be surprised by its unique taste. It has a natural bitterness that many people find unusual at first. But when it's cooked the right way, it becomes incredibly delicious, rich, and satisfying. In many Asian families, this is a classic homemade meal that brings comfort and warmth to the table. What I love most about this dish is how simple it is. Just a few everyday ingredients can create something healthy, flavorful, and surprisingly addictive. The soft eggs perfectly balance the slight bitterness of the melon, creating a taste that is light, savory, and comforting at the same time. Bitter melon is also known for its health benefits. It's often used in traditional Asian cooking because it's refreshing, nutritious, and pairs beautifully with eggs. This recipe is quick to make, budget-friendly, and perfect for busy days when you want something homemade without spending too much time in the kitchen. As the pan heats up, you'll hear the gentle sizzling of onion, the soft crack of eggs hitting the pan, and the fresh aroma filling the kitchen. Watching the bright green bitter melon cook together with golden eggs is one of the most satisfying parts of this recipe. Whether you already love bitter melon or you're trying it for the very first time, I hope this video inspires you to give this traditional dish a chance. Sometimes the simplest recipes become the most memorable meals. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. Have you ever tried bitter melon before? I'd love to hear how people cook it in your country. And if you want to see more simple and comforting Asian home recipes, make sure to subscribe and join me for the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Okay.